Look, it's a cutie pie turtle. Crawling without water. Oy, where you going? Namaste. Kay namaste. Oy, namaste. Oy, namaste. Put it down. Put it down, be. Si ang takla nag-ano.
Why rotating this side only?
Hi. Oy, oy, oy. Where you go? Oh, cute. Very quickly passing. Where you go? Come. It will not bite. Oh, you will not bite. See, very cute.
Only the pant like together.
Hey! Chick. Ay, chick. Alam, pikit pas. See, I will. Chick. Chick. Alam. Chick. They're not bite. Come here, come. Ow. Come here, come. Alabisi, go inside. Go. Come, walk. Come here, walk. Come. See, my auntie, she has a turtle. Sophia, Sophia, say hi, turtle. Sophia, say hi, turtle. Na hi, turtle. Excuse me, boy. Now, time to go home. The kids is enjoying. They are too much happy today. They ride lots of ride. Now going home. Back to reality. Because Bella need to travel. Oh, see, very cute the flowers. Oh.
I think this is the village with tree.
Ah, very nice.
It's like our is little bit different.
The leaves. This one is a circle, like a Christmas tree. Butwal, Fulbury. A lot of people here. Now there's a fountain. Here we go, our park here, nearby in our house. With Bella and family and Sosette also. Now Sophia and Daddy is there. They're busy.
What happened?
One more.
Go.
Yeah, Sophia, she's very brave. See, look. Before, she's not like this. Now she's very brave. She's climbing up. Good job, Sophia. Before, when she's, I think 1 year old, we came here. She don't like to slide. Okay, come down. 1, 2, 3. Yay!
Bonso, you go now. Look here, she's very...
Bonso, you go up.
Bit ako ng asa.
I will not come there. Nobody big people are there.
Nobody big people daw.
Only 3 years old.
That's why, Joy, I am here in Champulina. Where are you? I came also here. Sa kabila pala.
Okay, let's go play that game. I will try.
Close your feet. Yes, sure. Listen.
Ang bilis ni Nicole maano nun, mga parang mahina na mawala. Tapos na si Kuya. Now Kuya is riding there.
Manager, mamatay last time. Ang nag-ride sa Inban Batita with Ramis. Sabihin mo,
Now Sophia is playing the trampoline. Sophia, where are you? Now Sophia playing. Bunso. Bunso, calm down. Sophia, go up, go up. Go up yan. Wow, good job, Sophia. And then after slide, baby, slide here. Come here. 1, 2, good job. 1, 2, 3.
Lie down, lie down.
Lie down, lie down, lie down.
Lie down.
Lie down.
It's okay, lie down.
Lie
Lie down, lie down,
Yay! Ang panda. Yay! Good job. Where's the Bunso? Oh, Bunso, you play with Bunso. You go up, Bunso. You go up. You go up.
What is to be
Why
scared?
to be scared? That is simple. You go up. Climb. See, look, Sophia's climbing. You go up also. Oh, no, Sophia.
You turn
have trouser?
She has. Come here. You put it here. There. Come here nga, Sophia. Hello. Happy Tihar.
Happy Tihar, everybody.
Happy Tihar already finished.
Move there. You talk na. You talk both of you. Oh, you dance. You dance because you will see this one. You play now. You play.
Hey, go.
So guys, dito kami sa jungle. Kasi Tihar, ayan. We spend time together with the friends, Bella and Sosette here. Here we go like a park. In Philippines, like a park here. And then the kids is here. Their play is the battle. And so the kids is busy. Now cycle. Ay, wala naman tao dito. Ipalo mo ako. Ayan now, cycling. Just now the cycling is coming. See, somebody is riding in the app. We'll check. Here we go. This is the park. Now. See here, this is the view from here. Like almost same also in the Philippines. They have. Now, somebody will go out from the cycling. See? Mostly they're doing here picnic. If there is occasion, they will do only here the picnic in this area. Now, my skin, so here you go. Very cute. Cycling. Now we will go now. We go on the other destination. Now Daddy is busy. Watch. Now busy all people.